Starting a business? Here are 20 crucial tips to set you up for success. Find a gap in the market and focus on a specific audience. A solid plan is your roadmap to success. Know your numbers. Budget wisely and plan for expenses. Your brand is your identity. Make it memorable. Reach your audience where they are online. Happy customers are your best advocates. Build relationships. Your network is your net worth. Be ready to pivot. Flexibility is key to survival. Use tech to streamline operations and boost efficiency. Your team is your backbone. Choose wisely. Keep an eye on the competition. Learn and adapt. Sales drive your business. Prioritize revenue generation. Time is money. Use it wisely. Follow the rules. Avoid legal pitfalls. Learn from those who've been there. Mentorship accelerates growth. Quality builds trust and loyalty. Think big. Plan for growth from the start. Your customers are your priority. Listen to them. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Learn and grow. Passion fuels perseverance. Love what you do. Take these tips, take action, and build the business of your dreams. Which tip resonated with you? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. Dream big. Build bigger.